I still say that this is not Charlotte that's out here. These are outside entities that are coming in and causing these problems. These are not protesters, these are criminals.
So you're saying that all the people on the streets are not from Charlotte?
Well, I'm not saying all the people, but we've got the instigators that are coming in from the outside. I mean, you've heard reports even last night, they were coming in on buses from out of state. If you go back and look at some of the arrests that were made last night, I can about say that probably 70% of those had out-of-state IDs. They're not coming from Charlotte. Yeah, we've got some people here in Charlotte that are upset because they don't have the answers. Well, we don't have all the answers either, and that's why we have to trust in our system and do a thorough investigation to get to all the answers.
Two conflicting stories at this point. Police say the man who was shot got out of his car and pointed a gun at officers. But that man's family says he was shot while sitting in his car waiting for his child to get home from school.
What I can tell you is the video is, as I said before, not the most definitive piece of evidence we would have hoped for. As I said, you can't really see what's in his hands, and as I said before, you cannot see him making a gesture like pointing the gun, which would be much more definitive.